Hi, good morning to everybody. In this video, we are going to let you know the recipe about how to cook spaghetti. We are high school students from the second year of Health Section A at Incibo, and this is an English activity of the Daisy English teacher. And now we continue giving you the process to cook the spaghetti. Ingredients: 2 rolls of spaghetti, 4 natural cheese sauce, 3 spoons of garlic sauce, 1 spoon of salt, 1 green chili, 3 tomatoes, 1 onion, 3 whole garlics, 2 pounds of boneless chicken breast.
Process. At first we put water in a pot and also wet the 3 garlics with the 2 pounds of boneless chicken breast and start to cook. Then we wait to see the water boiling for 25 minutes.
Espérate que está tu cuerno.
Process. At first we minutes and after that time we have the 2 rolls of spaghetti and the 1 spoon of salt. Then we cut in little pieces the vegetables, so also the tomatoes, the onion, and the green chili, and add to the water with the chicken.
Now we add the 2 rolls of spaghetti and continue cooking for 15 minutes. After that time, we add the 4 natural cheesy sauce and mold white a spoon and let it cook for 5 more minutes.
Ya.
And after that time, the food is ready to serve and eat. We hope you enjoyed with our recipe.
Thanks for watching.